Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Today we're going to draw Patrick Mahomes. Played college football and baseball at Texas Tech University. Later dropped baseball and stuck to football. Was picked 10th overall by Kansas City Chiefs in 2017 draft. Joined Peyton Manning as the only other player to throw 50 touchdown passes and 5,000 yards in a single season. Of course, Patrick Mahomes, MVP, Super Bowl champion, one of the best ever to play the game in my opinion. Here we go, Patrick Mahomes. Let's get our markers out. We're going to find the center of our page up and down, center of our page across. We're going to do a Patrick Mahomes head cartoon style up here. So get your dark marker, could be gray, could be black. We're going to start on the left side, come down to the chin, over, up, and stop. So we kind of have this sharp chin going on. We're going to do an arch. This is Patrick Mahomes' headband. Connect the head, up, up, another arch for the headband, the sweatband, whatever you want to call it. A couple of ears poking out. Start here at the headband, another ear poking out. One circle over there for the eye, another circle over here for the eye. We'll do a circle on the inside, another circle on the inside. Those are going to stay white. Those are the highlights. We'll do another circle on the inside of the eye and a small arch. Let's fill in the eye with our marker, leaving those highlights white for now. Those highlights bring to life our characters. We draw our athletes kind of this Funko Pop cartoon style. I like to also get a light blue marker really fast and color this area in blue. This adds a little interest to our characters. Also, I like to say that that is the reflection of the stadium lights on Patrick Mahomes' eyes. So let's do the hair up here. We'll do the outline of the hair, kind of big squiggly lines. We know Patrick Mahomes has kind of some puffy hair that poke out of the top of his headband. And stop. Alright, that looks great. Let's do his neck. Down, down, to a V. Do the shoulder pads. One goes out, and one goes out. Actually, let's finish his face off, huh? Let's do that. Little arch for the eyebrow, little arch for the eyebrow. Give a quick, maybe thicken that up a little bit. Now his nose right here, let's do sideways raindrop, sideways raindrop, a couple of mouth lines, that's the side of the mouth. Go up and down and connect. There's his lip. And there's his top lip. Cool. Patrick Mahomes likes to grow out a light mustache. Let's draw that in really quick. And a little bit of a chin goatee down here. There we go. Looking good. All right, let's finish the jersey here. So bring this shoulder pad, round it out, down to a waist, straight across, bring that up, and connect to the shoulder pad over there. Okay, let's do a football on this side. He's holding the football. There's one side, here's the other side, and connect it. Not perfect, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers holding that football. Here's the thumb up high. Here's his arm connecting into the back of that football. There we go. Okay, over here we're going to do his hand, kind of poke. Watch this. This would be cool. This will be his thumb. Finger, 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 pinky, come up and connect to the thumb. That'll be his arm. That'll be his arm. And it just kind of disappears into his hand there. Looking good. All right. Patrick Mahomes wears this towel on his hip to keep his hands dry so he can throw the ball better. Bring his pants down, one up, down, and into the towel. Stop. Okay. Leg goes down, down, connect, down, down, connect. Now we're going to draw big cleats. We like to draw our athletes' cleats kind of oversized, fun clown size shoe since they're cartoon style. There's the tongue of the shoe on that side. 1, 2, 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3 bumps. Those are the shoelaces. Bring his shoe out. Stop. Straight across. At the ankle, stop and connect. Bring this ankle down. Stop. Straight across to the other side of the page, just like that shoe. Bring it up and into the shoelace. Cool. Looking good. All right, so I'm gonna get let's get our yellow marker. Get a nice bright yellow marker. We're gonna block out the number 15 in yellow since, yeah, that's his number, so. And up. There's the number 1. 5 goes down, in, down. Now these numbers are hard to draw, so if you need to pause or go look at a picture and kind of study what the numbers, they're kind of challenging, I'm not going to lie to you. So if you were able to follow along, good job. I'm going to darken in this yellow outline. We're going to leave the number white on the inside. Okay. And then we'll do a red, kind of that orange-red jersey for the Chiefs. Now up here he's got a white and yellow stripe. So we'll do the yellow coming in, stop, color that in, coming down, and stop, color that in. And what we'll do is we'll get the red for our jersey. And make sure you see that there's a stripe up here. Okay, it goes white, yellow, white. Okay, and then over here we'll do red. I'm gonna have to get a better red marker. That one's dying on me. Let's get a different one. Alrighty. Okay. Two red stripes, and then we'll do a yellow on the inside. So 2 red stripes there. Red socks on top. Red socks up here. And then there's a yellow stripe right in here. So it goes red, white, yellow. red, white, yellow, white, basically. And then in the middle here, this is going to be yellow in between these reds. Okay. All right. Let's do we'll do the Kansas City logo up here real quick. And using our red marker. Down, over, up. Kind of give a shape of that arrowhead to a point. A little KC in there. Awesome. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to color the jersey red, a brown football, leave the pants white, dark hair, flesh color. We'll give him some red cleats with yellow stripes, and that will be it. We'll fast forward. So thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Patrick Mahomes. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, let us know who else you want to see us draw. Follow us on TikTok and Instagram. We appreciate you guys drawing with us, and here we go, fast forward.